In this video, I am going to show you how to log into WordPress admin panel. So let's get started. So this is our WordPress website, and today we are going to see how we can log into this WordPress website admin panel. It is very easy to access WordPress website admin panel. In the address bar next to your website URL, just type wp-admin and hit enter. And this will take us to the WordPress login page. And now we are on the WordPress website login page, and here we need to enter our WordPress username and password. Just enter your WordPress website username and password, and after that just click on login. And this will take us to our WordPress website dashboard, and from here we can do all the settings of our WordPress website. If you do not have WordPress website logins, then you can also log into your WordPress website admin panel using the cPanel account. Just log into your cPanel account, and after that from the scripts just click on WordPress, and after that just scroll down to current installations, and here you will see all the WordPress websites. Next to your WordPress website you will see login as admin button. Just click on it, and this will take you to your WordPress website dashboard. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.